Question 5. This question is asking us about the author's stance and what it could most accurately be described as, specifically the stance towards the arguments of the strict constructionist Darwinians. When a question asks for the author's opinion on something, unless the author said it directly, it's an inference question. But here it's not just an inference question, it's really also a primary purpose question, because the author's stance towards the strict constructionist Darwinians is pretty much the main point of the passage. So if you'll recall, the author doesn't like these guys. The author says they're wrong. So we're going to be looking to that in the answer choices. And since the answers are short, I can put them all here. And the first thing that we're looking for is, we're looking for things that are negative. Our author did not agree with them. So that's going to immediately eliminate 3 of the answers, because C says that the author was neutral, and D and E say that the author supported them. But we know that the author didn't. Of the 2 answers that are left, we have emphatic disagreement and mild disapproval. There wasn't anything mild about the disapproval here. The author is against these folks. The author says they're wrong. That means that the answer must be answer choice A. And that's about all we have to do.